Hello, welcome. Today we are going to learn about solar system. I'll tell you some basic things about solar system. Our solar system has 9 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So in our solar system, all these 9 planets revolves around the sun in their orbits. Let's see how. In this way, these planets revolve around the sun. They all have their own paths. The first one, which is more nearest to Earth, sun, is Mercury. The second one is Venus. Venus is the second planet. The third one is Earth. We also live on Earth. Our planet is known as Earth. Earth is third planet. The fourth one is Mars. Mars is most nearest planet to us. The fifth one is Jupiter. Jupiter is the most biggest planet of our solar system. At number 6, it's Saturn. Then on number 7, it comes Uranus. Uranus is the second last planet. Then the last one is Neptune. Neptune. You can see there's one more, Pluto. So let me tell you about Pluto. Pluto is also a planet of our solar system. But Pluto don't have all these characteristics that other 8 planets have. That's why scientists don't include Pluto in our solar system. Let's see Earth. This is Earth. We guys live on Earth. Our solar system is known as Milky Way. Hope you guys get it. Hope the lesson is easy to understand. Bye-bye.